I asked myself this question: what's the difference between people who are sitting in the crowd and the people, or the Toastmasters rather, who came up and participated? And these are the participants that actually have gone through the grind in their clubs, in their families, with their mentors, with the area governors and division governors, or directors rather, and have come here and participated. One of the most important things in Toastmasters is actually taking the trouble to come and participate and entertain us. And I think so, they deserve very generous round of applause for what they did for us today. I'd like to thank the division director, Dr. Makalu, for his idea of the tall tales. Of course, the Gavilier was added by me. I had to add something to it. But I thank him for that idea, and it's really helped us to bring forth something different. And that was one of the reasons of, or you could say one of our aims of this year as leaders, to bring in something different to Toastmasters. I'll also thank some leaders here. Area Director 38, Anil Revankar, who represent the chairperson of the Gaviliers. And also Toastmaster Moaz Al-Nouri, who started it. He did a great job with the training and all. Unfortunately, he found something good, and we appreciate that he was very kind enough to at least tell us that he will be handing it over to people responsible, and he did a good job. We thank him also for his support. Our sincere thanks to the country manager, Mr. Ahmed Al-Matrouk, and also the sales manager, Sandra Smith, for sponsoring a return economy ticket to any destination on the Gulf Air network to the winner or the champion of the Tall Tale Adult today. So we thank them and appreciate their generosity. We also like to thank all the we also like to thank all the role players and the chief judge and the panel of judges who took their time. It was a marathon. We know what happened. At the break time, they all were kind of grumbling that it was too long. So thank you for your patience, and I hope you have brought in not the favorite, but the best speaker today. A sincere thanks to DTM Kamila Bondi. Is she here in the room? And also to DTM Wafa Salman for this venue. We had some challenges with this venue, and I thank you for supporting us to hold this event. We are going to have something called as the Chubb Night. We are trying to promote that in the Toastmasters, and we're getting responses, but they are coming in bits and pieces. And we have Toastmaster Mohsen, Mohsen Hussaini, who is actually the one who's going to take this event further. Can you please stand up, sir? So if anybody is interested, please contact him after the event. We really want to get this going because there's a lot of expenditure in this, and we need the money up front. Otherwise, it's very difficult for him to do what he's supposed to do. I'd like to also acknowledge the presence of the immediate PAL Division Governor Satish Kumar of O, and immediate PAL Division Governor I, who is also the Chief Judge today, Wafa Salman. I'd like to thank Anil Lobo, DTM Anil Lobo, for getting all this agendas printed. It was 150, and you know it cost, and for him to take the time out, he's not here, but I thank him for his for the generosity. Also thank Yusuf Banyan for designing it, and it was very nice of them to go out of the way and take the time to do it. We thank you, sir. We'd like to thank all the Gaviliers, mentors, and the club presidents who have taken their time, despite all the school functions and the examination that's going on. We thank them all for participating and preparing them, because not a single participant, I thought, just came unprepared. Everybody was as good as any adult. In fact, I'd say much better than most of the adults. Thank you. The participation and the involvement of Toastmasters is so immense that we have Toastmasters here who are also artists. And this gentleman here, Toastmaster Shashi Krishnan from the Bayans Community Club, has brought in 3 posters in year 1 to showcase his talent and his love for Toastmasters. That is something that goes beyond what a person can offer Toastmasters. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes love for the program. It takes a lot of initiative from a person. I thank him, sir. I'd like to call the Chief Judge on the podium. It's time to recognize some of the role players. And as well, Division Director I, Dr. Makaluf. Thank you, Madam Shata Shamia, for doing a wonderful job as the MC of the ceremonies. I'd like to thank our Sergeant at Arms who did a wonderful job, Madam Toastmaster Rajalakshmi and Toastmaster Yasir Muhammad. Thank you, Mr. Kapil Kumra. If there's anything that goes wrong with the competition, the one to be blamed is not the judge, not the chief judge, the telecounter. So Toastmaster Dilip Thomas is the telecounter, so you all know who he is now. He knew. We'd like to thank all the 5 timers, so all of them can come in a row in the same line. Toastmaster Ronald Arias, Toastmaster Biju Samuel, Toastmaster Thomas Selvan, Madam Toastmaster Hala Sami, and Madam Toastmaster Fatima Abdo. They did a wonderful job. It required a lot of patience. They had to diligently look at the timing to record it. So please, these are the people that silently sit in front and do what they're supposed to do for Toastmasters. Please give them a round of applause. Thank you for not including me. The ball and the... I'd like to thank the gentleman, Salim, not for for all the photography and for taking care of all the pictures. So if you have any good pictures for posterity, or if you have not got any good pictures, you know whom to contact. I'd like to call upon stage Yusuf Abad Baniyan for the projection, for the agenda, as well as the IT support. Thank you, Area Director Anil Revankar. And now the moment we all are waiting for. Let's do it something different. I read a book by Jeffrey Archer, and it says, first among equals. So I'd like to call all the Gavaliers who spoke today on the stage. All the Gavaliers. So who do you think is the runner-up among the Cavaliers? The first among the two who are going to win today.
Yeah.
Who are that?
All are winners.
All are winners. But the first runner-up, or the only runner-up in this among the Cavaliers will be young Cavalier Parain Velamurugan. Runner-up. And the winner of the Cavaliers, Tall Tale Champion 2015 at the Australian College of Kuwait goes to Toastmaster, the Cavalier, Pratish.
Come. Congratulations. Well.
Pratik, how do you feel? Which club do you belong to? Could you please also acknowledge your mentors and all those who helped you?
Actually, I'm the Limelighters Gavel Club. It's a part of Bhavan's Gavel Club, actually. And then, just like the exoskeleton, the line was like made by me, and I had inputs of my Toastmaster who leads me, Suresh P. sir, who's there. And also, I had the humorous part and all those were added by my mom, so just like that. Yeah. So, just like
We'd like
that.
to acknowledge even the mentors. Suresh, can you please come on stage, please? As well as you, ma'am. Will you please come? It takes a lot of time for the mentors to prepare their Toastmasters, as well as the parents to give that much of time for the children as well. So this is to a team effort of not only mentors, but also parents. And thank you very much. We'll all take one picture with you all.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we'll all take a picture with you. You right in the middle. Okay. Your photo. You come here, please, sir. Come right in front. Why do you come in front? Why this side is gone? No, he's saying is one side tilted. Thank you, young guns. Call everyone.
Yeah, okay. Do you want me to call everybody?
Don't show, they can see.
Yes, please. I'm sure you're waiting for the winners. But now I want all the contestants to be on the stage, please. Can you stand in the middle of the stage? The middle of the stage. All of you to the middle of the stage, please. Thank you. No, it's fine. This is the middle for me. Thank you all for the great speeches. We really enjoy every speech. And for me, you are all winners. Now, shall I start without suspense more? First runner-up. Yes. Sandy Stein. And the winner for the tall tale is Zainab Banyan. Let's hold it like this.
I don't have words to say because I'm feeling I'll just cry because it is really unbelievable because we had a great competition over here and I would really thank you all to like my speech and to appreciate my work because really I feel that my contestants were more stronger than me. But I don't know what judges had done. So I'll just say God is great.
They want you to be kidnapped.
Yes. And I'm all free to get kidnapped. I'm all yours. Yes, and I'm here because Mr. Charles saved me and got me here. So thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Without brainless and heartless, this is incomplete. This is incomplete without brainless and heartless.
This is just like Mr. Charles.
I just have one announcement before you all go. Please make sure we start cleaning up all the tables and all which we have because we are not supposed to bring the food in. So please be kind enough to help us take whatever you around you. They can keep the place as clean as it was given back to us.